Hi Daria, just a quick video to go through your maths for today. So I'll get the page up there now, see what you're going doing. So more hundreds, tens and units. So hopefully it's a little bit easier for you now. You're getting used to it. So remember, if you have 10 units, you can change that for 110. And if you have 10 tens, you can change that for 100 block. Okay, so we'll just have a quick little look at the video to go with this page, the activity. So we have to match here the pictures to the sums to the number. So in the first picture there, I'm going to count up how many I have. So I know these are tens, so the red towers. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 tens there, so 50. And then I count my units, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So there was 50 and 8. So I go drag that to 50 and 8 equals 58, and then up to the answer 58. Okay, that one's not working now, so maybe I need to do all these first on this side. I'm going down to the second one and I'm going to count up the tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 3 units. So 61, 62, 63. So 6 tens making 60 and 3 units. So 60 plus 3 is 63. And then my last picture here, I'm going to count up my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 7 tens make 70 and 4 units, 71, 72, 73, 74 is my answer. So 70 plus 4 makes 74. And this button is just not working. That one was 63. This one was 58. And I'm sorry, but these don't seem to be really working. I hope you get the idea. Okay, so in the first one here, they did for you, you've 100. In all of them, you just have 100. So you can write 100 in the first box for all of them. And then you need to count your tens, 10, 20. So I put 20 in my second box. And then I need to count my units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and units in the third box. So 100 and 20 and 4 is 124. I'll go down to number 2 then. And I have 100 again. 100 goes in the first box. And I have 10, 20, 30, 40. When I count up my 10, so 40 goes into the second box. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. So 7 into my third box. So 100 plus 40 plus 7 equals 147. I'm going to write that one for you. So first you count your hundreds. Here we have 100. So 100. Then I count my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 tens makes 40. And then units into the last box. Count up my units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into my last box. 100 plus 40 plus 7 is 147. 40 and 7 makes 47, and don't forget the 100 to start with. And it always goes in that order: hundreds, tens, units. And hundreds, 4 tens, and 7 units. 147. Okay, hope that helps and the page is okay.